Welcome to another episode, Drunk Apron. Today's episode, Kool-Aid Krispies. Oh yeah! What does that mean? Kool-Aid flavored Rice Krispies. Duh. Marshmallows are hot. We don't want to get burned. Protection is always needed on this channel. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got a tablespoon of butter. We broke this into 4 different marshmallow bowls because we have 4 different flavors. So for the first flavor, tablespoon of butter in a bowl. We've got 1.5 cups of Mallows de Marsh, and we're gonna microwave that in increments until it's all melted and incorporated well. Marshmallows melted. Add our flavoring. This is Kool-Aid Tropical Punch. Mixed. 1 cup Rice Krispie cereal. Grape flavoring. Why are you using gloves, Heath? Well, you ever touched Kool-Aid barehanded and been white? Complexion? Yeah. You turn out purple. Whatever color you're using, so I don't want to have Fruit Loop freaking fingers. Orange flavor. These are such a great healthy snack for the summer too. It's only butter and sugar. It's good diet food. Pink limonata. Flavors are done. Let's take our food lube. Nice block of butter. If we don't do this, this is just gonna be sticky as all crap. It's still gonna be sticky though. Lube up. Take your little flavors and make little cute balls out of them. Look at that. Boop. Grape flavor. Same thing. Little bolitas. Orange. And last, pink lemonade. They say plating is everything in a kitchen because you eat with your eyes first. So now that we've taken the extra special care of rolling all these individually out and making them look beautiful, all these cool little flavors, we want to put these in an elegant manner on a plate. Like that. Boom! Thanks for watching, guys. Another episode, Drunk Apron, Kool-Aid Krispies, summertime fun. Bring them to a party, bring them to birthdays, throw them at your friends. Click that thumbs up, hit that like. Thanks for watching, guys. Drunk Apron, out.